Boy, you know what I'm saying? When I drive through Maxfield like money, I'm saying, you know, just do one short vlog. I don't know what the road name still, you know. I don't know. So I drive through so I think I don't know what the road name. So nobody text me in the comment section and I say what road I say name, I don't know the name. But I know so I can't drive about in a crossroad. That's all I know. Spotted them there on the scene. Okay. Camera not enough though. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 camera. Camera enough. Can't see another one that still, that's why I did so. People have to give thanks, you know, for the small things. People don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Some of the week pop out like then they have fight and then pop out some of the week. Grandma got church, I should have come from church. So as long as the road leads to somewhere, brother, you can't last. That's not just know the name of the road, but you can't last. As long as it leads to somewhere, never last. Driving black, me have to go in a people, but I tell you, honest truth, boy, time now, other people, more time I burn out, so just rest it here, man. People are all if I can't tell me if I can post, you know, enough, but one time I have a voice supposed to be there, man, I tell you the truth, but one day I'll get there if I can start post one video, even 2 times or 3 times a week, because it's when I stay consistent on YouTube, you will grow. The road came back straight in a car, so can't last. Can't last, bro. On the road and I drive, you have to open me out. Some people on the road, trust me, you have to walk through them. You see me I tell you, them something, you see me I tell you, them people you have to look out for. Them taxi man there. You have to look out for them, brother. Because trust me, when I say, them alone I use the road. No other car enough to drive on the road, them alone for use the road. So them behavior. They drive, them a come off, them a come on the main road, they just drive out fine so they don't care. Where they want to cause accidents out, they just push out head. More time. this is South Camp. What's the camp? Soldier camp over this. But who knows? What's the camp? Of course. Children, yes sir. I mean, yeah. Of course. But being a member. I really go far to the anyway. Afraid I want to, you know, guys. You want to know, when you come to drive, you know, you turn fool, you know. So, afraid I don't know, I swear. That's a woman driver, man. That's a woman driver, then drive just like somebody taxi money. Over here, say name Solafield. Solafield, over there, say. And National Stadium over there, sir. So, you're National Stadium. Bob Marley started there over there, sir. See there? See Bob Marley. Say you talk about Bob Marley started? See there. See there. Mr. come here, you know. Mr. live on Mountain View. Mr. come here. Come play. So, I seen stuff lately, they fence it up. But it used to open. You can drive yourself back and hold up front. You never come and say it, yo. So we reach up. Some people drive every day and that's why, yo. Then say it's on your whole upgrade, sir. So then say. That's the police over here, so over here side, the office there, commission office, over here side. A big thing and I road, man. over there, so Chambers Lane is somewhere over there, so I'm present Chambers Lane. You can walk there, so and go around. Stay on the taxi boy there, blow on like say I'm alone up on the road and drive. I not drive man. I drive man cannot no rock for please nobody mash up my car for please. No boy. Go and run up in a second and crash. If you there and post you after. I mash up my car for please nobody. Post run also. I want to them. But I want widen though. We're not falling at you, say. You see it? I want to them. I'm gonna kill yourself, brother. Crash me this video and post it on my platform there. Sleeping police trying to see. Guys are went there, I mean I'm morning, you know. Is that on the high? And you can't go at full speed and then must crash. Cha cha. You know, say, although you have them high seeing police fly over there, you mean, but police, taxi man fly over them, see police see him, you know? Yeah man, they fly over them, see me like bird speed. You're trying to fit them car, they might try bridging. They fly over them by a piece of speed there. But by the day when the car mash up, I don't know scare back the car go give the one and tell the one say car mash up, you want shocks or bulge and wheelbase are tired in her. You wouldn't control arm or where you want mash up underneath it, strut motor, you can't. I get no boy this to drive, you know? Yes sir, I get no boy this to drive. Yeah, I run it to wreck, I run it down and then tell me say I saw you get it. So you did stay from man. But yeah, tell brother. Yeah, body man careful there. Alone driving. Yes, be with this whatever and hold up where now got Papine. up it on parasite, on them, see them there. See ya, sure. Welcome to Papine Square, viewers and subscriber people. So when the video cut, just don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Alright, if you know I'm coming, you just drop a flag for me to know which country I view it from, so me can just, you know, I acknowledge it. Yeah, these are the famous Papine Square people. Well, all the activity take place. People shop on Saturday weekend. You name it. So pull over, brother, if you're not going to remember that. The party jar. Watch it. Daniel. People, right, so Garden Town Road. Let's get all the way. Garden Town and can't carry Newcastle, Strawberry Hill, Oliver Place. And then I forgot to take a tour and go up there. But now I'll go live. So now I can't stay there. You know, really. So people, here I'm going. Radio TV active. I'm out. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.